Hello guys, welcome to Rohan Gallery. So today I'll show you that how to make a rabbit through this paper. Okay, let's start. So first of all, you need a proper square shape of paper. You can use any shape of paper, then you should give it the square shape. Okay, now you can see that through this triangle shape I can get the square shape of paper. Okay, so first we should fold it half. Okay, now we fold it the 1/4 of the paper. Okay, and the same with the another side also. Now I rotate the page. Okay, and do the same thing which I have done with the another side. Okay, you can see that I do the same thing with the another side. Okay, now I'm fold it in the triangle shape. Okay, now you can see that I'm folding it in the triangle shape with the both side. Okay, first we fold in the right, then we fold the left side. Okay, now I fold the below portion in the triangle shape both side. Okay, now I turn the page. Okay, and rotate it again, and then again turn it and fold the upper portion of this page. Okay, now I fold the upper corner portion. Okay, and you should maintain every single centimeter which make it more perfect. Okay, now I rotate the upper portion. Okay, and again turn the page. Now I fold the upper small corner portion. Okay, now I fold it the half, then again I fold it. You can see that these two corner portions will become the ear of the rabbit. Okay, now I am folding the another half. Okay, now you should bend these two paper which become the ear of the rabbit. You can see that, and through the fingers you can fill the gap. Now through marker or any other pencil you can make the eyes of the rabbit. Okay, and you can use different color of paper for making it. I used some different color of paper. You can see that there are 4 colors through which I made it. So here I am finishing my video. I hope all you like it. If you have any feedback, then give it in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.